As you can see, there's not a lot of rubble on the road, but you know, we're in Chapel Hill, so we didn't get much of it. But there definitely is still some gusty winds out here. Yeah. I think they're up to 40 miles an hour now. Wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour now. We got recycle bins everywhere. I think those recycle bins belong to the house right there. Yeah. The pool is closed, obviously. Yeah, we didn't get very much, but definitely got some wind and a little bit of rain. As you can see, there's some moisture on the road. Yeah, definitely still some gusts, definitely. Definitely could bring down a tree or two if it really wanted to. Well, yep, that's pretty much it. Okay, bye.